Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. You see what I'm saying? As you can see, a whole heap of things are going in that video, you know, my people. So I don't even know where to start. So you know what, let's just kick it off with dancehall Queen Spice and Shenseea, because it look like they're beefing again. You see me? Spice do a song and I throw some words at Shenseea and Shenseea birthday party keeping at Jamaica yesterday. And she performed her diss song aimed at Spice. And we all know what song that is, my people. Put in the comment section where you think about that. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at what fans is talking about in particular. Because you know the fans, them see everything. You see what I say? And them cited this. You see it? Yes, putting out the comment section where you think about that. So you see the people that must say which song in a slide too, and they must say Dolly Dolly, you feel me? So I'm thinking the reason why Shenseea this up Spice upon her birthday, which is October 1st, but you know, at a weekend, that's what them keep it. You see what I say? Because Spice have a song out there, and she says, besties, our new anthem, learn the words. Me know for a fact, say, me have, you know, the WAP or whatever, you see what I say? But most importantly, she said, no boy can spit in her mouth. That's yak, and that's whack. You know what I mean? She's trying to normalize, you know, being, you know, normal and not freaky in these days. You see what I say? But we know Shenseea have a song called, you know, Die For You. You feel me? And in that song that she specifically says, spit in my mouth. Comment like that too. You see what I say? So this is a counteraction that Spice do upon Shenseea. But the only thing the fans say Spice never put in, you know, Shenseea, like forget Ramana Battam. You see what I say? Put in the comment section where you think about that. Now, some people were saying the party flop and all of them things there. I'm not here to disclose any of them things there, but I'm just showing what the people them are set out there. But Spice did also throw some words about people that wanted to perform with Vybz Kartel, and I'm sure we all thought it was the angel she's attributing it to, but we know Shenseea and Vybz Kartel have a Ludi song together, but we know Shenseea it's not going to be in Jamaica then, you know what I mean? But anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, time for the Bagga mix up with Janice and Prezzi on the day or so, because as you can see, some of them daily life is not nice. You see what I'm saying? They're accusing these guys of doing, you know, not nice guys things to them. You see what I'm saying? This started because, you know, some video footage of her, you know, with Prezzi, you know, things in her mouth, you know, get both, you know what I mean? So, you know, of course, look, Dolly come out wicked, you know what I mean? You know, he's talking about a designer body and all of these things, all type of things, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, he's laughing at what she's about to say that I'm not going to hear. He's going to respond tomorrow. He can't go live yet, you feel me? So let's hear what go on, for that to go on, and then we'll proceed.
Yeah. You see one coming golden shower. Yeah, you. You say you pissed for me, tell the people say you're freaky like that, Prezzi. You pissed for me, Prezzi. Tell the people them say you're freaky bad. I don't know about your past relationship. But you look like you love the nastiness bad. You love the nastiness bad. I not tell a lie, me a freak. Me a freak, I'm more pleased my man, but tell the people them say you're freak too. Tell them say you're freak too. Prezzi, me sit down in here, me sit down and bone up in your yard. Remember good. I remember, I swear upon me, some of the mother, father, brothers, friends, everybody life say you Prezzi sit down in your bathroom. You lay down on the floor in your bathroom. And you say piss for me. You want to know how golden shower feel. You can't talk about your piss for me. You sit down in your bathroom and you beg me like baby and me try piss for you and the piss never. Ooh, the piss never did come. The piss never did come. I want to go over the tell the people you come. And when me come up, you beg like baby. I saw me go over the toilet, I saw me come over you. Prezzi, in your face, no matter with it. The people come drip. Yeah, go back over the toilet and come. Prezzi, no bother with me. You try bring me down? Me never have no feelings for you, Prezzi, you big. Yeah, every day you cuss me, every night I come in. Every night I come in, Prezzi, you go get bun, you go get, me supposed to get bun. Me can't bother with the lame fuck. Me can't bother with the lame fuck business. Every night I come in, you cuss me like dog. You go get bun, me supposed to get bun, because I can't bother with the lame fuck. Remember, a media that hold me here, you know, media. Why me I tell them I pretend well? Be tricky people, let me know. Be trick them, fuck. The stunt for the media. Oh God. Fast forward to my birthday, I'm going to talk about this. The last incident when beat me around a blood clot gully banks, Chantilly there so. Chantilly happened down. Almost near has a gully banks. Me and I come from a road. Came around a my yard in Vika Park out of my beauty bar. Came a my yard. He didn't take me under the house. One of my dog them there the yard. But then they with a different catty. I say, listen, dog, you're there my place. I'm your parent, yes, so. So guess what now? You're going to go your yard or your own. Because me and you not stay, yes, so, in my place while you disrespect me. He end up that thing the day load up as a bitch as he is. I say, alright, me drive out. Remember, me always a drive Prezzi, me always a drive. So me don't know how would I reach a taxi man car if have your people. Why would I send taxi? You see social media, me I tell you. You see, when people hear me, they hear me now because guess what? Me I come with proof and facts. Alright, you say, me and a friend got up here, man. Cause me a talk, you know. And me have a beauty bar stop. Everybody knows me always a drive. Me have a car a drive that was paid for. It was paid for in full for months from Valentine's Day. If y'all can remember back then, we don't do nothing for Valentine's Day. We do something the year before. We don't do nothing this Valentine's Day. Me all buy gift for him, and me not give him. That income on me, I can post a screenshot there when you say, why you just have it for your dress or whatever. You come on me, you search the blood clot, you searching. You search me drop, you search everywhere, Prezzi. You searchy. If one can remember vividly, February 14, we don't do nothing. One of my dog them link me and say, hey, I'll get your car. I have that car until my car fix. I have that car till my car fix. So when he text me say, car in the rental, I'll come for the TIDA. I have a car what me not pay if it not cost me. It not cost me. It not cost me. And you test myself to come for the car. Fast forward, April. It was going on to my birthday. If was well I know this, they know you love cap, they know. But not even say cap, you love hype for the media. My birthday come up you fight me in an early April, my birthday come up the 28th. You text me the day before the 28th, which would be the 27th. You text me and you said to me, say, listen, what we don't know. Your birthday a few hours away, I say, listen, it no matter. If you got text me now before murder, nobody text me at all. You force me, antagonize me. I've never been in a relationship where I felt this way. Like, me just feel pressure. I feel like me I got mad. I feel like I would have killed my fucking self. I feel like me would have killed myself. To how a man used to antagonize my soul. I can't sleep at night. I can't go out. I don't feel confident or nothing. Birthday come. In can rose this, that. Y'all can surely remember him tag me and him give me the gift them, and he was expecting me to post them. I didn't. Then they me had all along. Then they did them. I say, I'm going to gift them. Then after a party in a May, they did it. Then they till after a party in a May, he beg me like, baby, say, pull them. You can't put up a screenshot them. I not tell no lie. He beg me to pull them. So if you like them, you know what they just can't, but I never see one man can't get in way and disrespect a woman, so you can't get away, just bring me down. You just bring me down, You can't get away, just bring me down. You just bring me down to the ground. Anytime you feel like you have your way, you start saying, oh babes, we're gonna make it better, this, that. You keep on talking about in the last half. Hey, it's not in the last half. Every picture of my post is a different fucking fight. Where you fight me. Every video I post is a different fight where you fight me. You talk about we mash up your TV. If we mash up your TV, I'm supposed to mash it up. I love you, I'm supposed to mash it up. I've never mashed it up. You fight me, I lick me at the TV and it mash up. So blame myself for that, sir. Blame myself for that. But now I tell a lie, they have me a grown. They have me a grown. Cause guess what, when I mean I do everything for myself. I never that beg, borrow, plead, nothing. I can't take care of myself and my kids. Yeah. But you have me a grown. You have me a grown. I'm going to catch myself in the last half because you didn't want a bar in my bar. You wanted a bar in my bar. I'm going to catch myself and I say, no, this man come for stuck you so. And you know what I do? The part where I black off, did we have an next bar? I put my box them in there. Prezzi, you can't bring me down, go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Me have to address everything else that has been remember them. Me address them. I have to address them. I try to have the time, I'm busy. I'm busy. I can't, how for worry him? I can't worry him. You know, say a man big, no blood. I'm small, you know. I'm small. I couldn't worry him. I not tell a lie. I couldn't worry him. One day, I fight and I thump him in blood clot. I him bother him, beat me, dig up a blood clot scheme. I couldn't manage him. I not tell a lie. Him big. Him big in a body. Him big a fuck. I couldn't manage him. You want me to talk about my finger? Of course, my finger. I mean, love batty things. He love the batty things. He freaky. He love batty business. It is sad to say, me have somebody with it for 2 years plus. Me have to the internet and bring him down because he try to bring me down. But guess what? Bring down. Because I make the boy. Me have to protect my image. Social media don't know me as this dramatic person. They don't. Me don't love clothes. When me I'm just a day, I'm saying, listen, I can't bother with the drama business. Like, me can't find screenshot. Me go find me. Me go pull up my old phone and I go plug it in and put it on charge. I have so much stuff in that phone. We have so much stuff in that phone there. This is my new phone. When beat me far, when them, oh my God, my new phone, this stuff in there, you know, but the old phone have more. I plug it in, you know, because world knows me not tell no lie. Prezzi, you know me not tell no lie. Yeah, your big back blood clot. Hey, the world knows me not lie. I'm gonna read some comments. Should they hit my keep the receipt for the future use? Yes. I should have do that, but guess what? I ignore the red flag them. Come sit down and watch him bring on next girl. And that's something I'm not talking about. I say to him, say, listen, you don't look good. Stop it. And the girl is to the dog. Stop it. You don't look good. And I sit down and I watch him. I couldn't do nothing because I said, Jesus Christ, I feel like I'm stuck already. I stuck. I'm friend of mine said to me, Jesus Christ, Johnny, so I'm like, boy, I don't know, boy, I'm going to bring you down, see you, boy. I'm going to bring you down. And so said so down. He said to him too, say, I'll bring me down. But guess what? He said 40 days and 40 nights. Let me see how far it will take, because guess what? So when the 40 days and 40 nights over, you have a debt to the road, you have a debt to the street, you have a debt to the media. Them not gonna remember you. So what you have to come with again? The video? You have to come with something. When text me, he take the news out of my phone, he text me, and he say, remember me having a phone and so cock, like, okay, blackmail me. My gas station. I guess probably that's why they don't release yet. My gas station more than twice. Police them call him, say come down, questioning. All our Prezzi can't reach. For your host, look. Why they say man, this spot they're rare, but you prove it. You like there's something there. I don't know if I don't know. God no, I don't know. I don't know. Tell you what you want to know. This for who? Me realize that even the little girl when post and talk say fuck the girl sucking cock. The girl was helping to promote the event. You pay the girl to promote the event. She said, "I here want to do," and you say you pay for it because you want her reward for help promote the party. Why you walk and cap? Why you walk and tell like Pamputtae? Why you walk and tell like Pamputtae? Listen now, I can only remember this one incident with me and this girl. Not me and this girl. The girl when he claims same breed when I breed. When do the girl the same thing, threaten the girl and all of these things. We can't remember only that incident where, you know, as a top man, as a girl, you're not man that go in an argument over girl. Prezzi, remember, me and never in an argument over girl, because you know you really and truly don't like girl. You really and truly don't like girl. You don't like girl. Girl not tickle your fancy. You text me and say, listen, remember my cock can't stand up for you. You know, say, me have a search. I have a search your screenshot. You say, remember my cock can't stand up for you. Or something like that, you say. But it was pertaining to sex. I understand why. I understand why. So you, Mr. Batman, president, me no know about no blue pill. Me no take pill. The only thing me drink are rum. Yeah, you talk about barfly next thing barfly. Okay. You was down here with the barfly. You live at the barfly place that if people them get uncomfortable because they must say, ain't no way one man live at one girl bar like this. Barfly, sir. You meet me as a barfly, then it's so be the case. But now I can't eat up a bar. Me have a bar. I'm upgrade the bar now. So what you say? A long time. Why yeah? Blows one tape for true. Oh, Viagra. Me never know one situation where me know no man take no blood pill. So more don't know. God know. More don't know. Screenshot of what? Hold on. Him sick stomach for true. That me want to know how me fit be bar fly in my bar. I me own the bar. Me run bar probably over 10 years now. Me have bar over 10 years now. I true me need to leave the internet alone and feed me sister girl. Why? In Badami, Kami's got a tracer. When you say something, yeah. Whether we can feel so long in beat and him. Why? I don't know, God no. I don't know. I swear to God. My father get more than my 62, so me at 30 now to the months. I'm old. Yes. Oh my god, the comments are moving so fast. God no. Okay, my name Ali can eat.
And I'm gonna put the beginning of her live on my Dancehall Story channel you see in front of you, where I put bare bagga and mix up. No entertainment news, a straight mix up. Cause you know this was the end of her live. She talked for like 40 minutes before that. So you know what you heard was the calmer version. You see what I say? This has been going on for the past couple of days and it's not gonna stop. You see what I say? So make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.